Press the icon Alt-Off and the icon of the drying nozzle until the dryer is in its lowest position. We press the emergency button to block the rollover. With a soft cloth and water, clean the lens of the photocell located on the sides of the drying nozzle. Likewise, we clean the photocells located in the lower interior part of each column. We release the emergency and press the start or reset button. Press again the icon of the drying nozzle to place the dryer in its initial conditions.